John the Mouse.
Anybody using the Google Maps on your phone lately? If not, you probably missed out on the Mario driving around in his race cart. It came out on March 9th, 2008, and will be gone on March 17th, 2008. Once you tap the Let's Go, the traditional blue arrow is replaced by the plumber driving his little cart. If you tap the question mark 100 times in a row, you hear the one-up tone. Thank you for watching my video. I do have more for you to view. Just press on the button. And if you'd like to subscribe to stay up to date, you can push that button too.